Have you ever wondered how your taxes or interest payments are calculated when multiple rates apply at once? That is where the blended rate comes in. A blended rate is essentially a weighted average. It represents the single effective rate you pay when different portions of your money are taxed or charged differently. Many people fear moving into a higher tax bracket, thinking their entire income is suddenly taxed at that higher rate, but that is rarely the case. To find your blended rate, you calculate the cost for each portion of your money separately, add those costs up, and divide by the total amount. Don't confuse your marginal rate with your blended rate. The marginal rate is the tax on your last dollar, while the blended rate shows your actual average cost. As you can see, the blended rate sits comfortably between your lowest and highest tiers, providing a clearer picture of your total financial burden. Always look at your effective or blended rate to understand the true impact on your wallet rather than just looking at the top bracket. Understanding these calculations helps you make better decisions. Subscribe for more money basics and keep building your knowledge. See you next time.